In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invest for beginners with Etoro. Before we dive in, let me set the stage for what you'll be gaining from this guide. Whether you're curious about dipping your toes into the stock market, exploring cryptocurrency, or you're keen on EFTs, Etoro's platform offers a user-friendly experience for beginners and seasoned investors alike. So, let's embark on this journey to understand the essentials you'll need to get started. First, we need to navigate our way to the Etoro homepage. Open up your browser and type in etoro.com. This is the online hub where you'll find all the tools and information you need to start investing. With Etoro, you have access to stocks, crypto, and ETFs, all in one powerful app. It serves as a central repository for your investments, making it easier to track and manage your portfolio anytime, anywhere. Next, let's go ahead and log in. Look for the Login button at the top right corner of the homepage and click on it. If you already have an account, enter your credentials, your username and password. If you're new to Etoro, take a moment to create an account using your email or social media credentials. It's a simple process, and from there, you'll be guided through some basic verification steps just to ensure your account remains secure. Once you're logged into Etoro, you'll be directed to the Etoro homepage. This is your primary dashboard and will serve as your control center. Here, you can track market trends, follow successful traders, and find countless investing opportunities. Take a moment to explore. Familiarizing yourself with this interface will help you make informed decisions as you progress. Now that you're ready to start investing, click on the Start Investing button. You'll find this option usually on the homepage or within the Wallet section. Clicking here opens up a new world of possibilities. Whether you want to invest in individual stocks, dabble in cryptocurrency, or add ETFs to your portfolio, everything is at your fingertips. For beginners, it might be a good idea to start small. Consider what sectors you're interested in, and don't hesitate to use Etoro's resources to learn more about each asset class. As you set out on your investment journey with Etoro, remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Start with amounts you're comfortable with, keep up with the latest market trends, and continue learning. Etoro provides a demo account feature, which is invaluable for practicing without risking real money. It simulates the trading environment and empowers you to build confidence before committing any funds. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to getting started with Etoro. By following these steps, you'll have laid the groundwork for a robust investing experience. So go ahead and explore what Etoro has to offer. Happy investing!